Hello, hospitals and surgical centers. What cough pillows do your patients use after their heart, kidney, or lung surgery? Hugging the pillows against the incision site provides sternal support and pain reduction. However, if your pillows are not always clean and dry, patients can easily get infected and suffer post-op complications, particularly during early recovery phase when their immune systems are weak and compromised. Do your pillows offer sanitary solutions to assure your patient's safety? I'm Margot with Best Plush Inc., and I'll compare our innovative vinyl pillows to the cloth pillows you may currently be using. I'll demo our unmatched inherent sanitary solutions and know-hows. Our pillow has an outer cover and inner pillow filled with microbeads. The cover is made of soft, smooth, and strong vinyl. It's waterproof, removable, and washable. The flap here conceals the zipper to protect patients and nurses from injuries and infections, and prevents children from reaching inside. To remove the cover, lift the flap, unzip, and pull out the inner pillow. The covers and inner pillows can be handled separately. Need to wash it? Wash the cover alone. Cloth pillows are made of fabric-bagged fiberfill. The cloth is rough, porous, and much less strong. They're bulky pieces. Need to wash it? Then you'll have to wash the whole thing. Our vinyl pillow has a smooth cover. The germs are hard to stay, but easy to remove. Whereas the cloth pillow has a rough surface, making it easy for germs to breed and difficult to remove. When water, drinks, or vomit gets on the vinyl pillow, the waterproof cover stops the penetration. To clean it for instant safe reuse, wipe and rub it with a cloth, then spray it with disinfectant. No backup pillows needed. When the cloth pillow gets spilled on, the liquid and germs leave the irreversible stains on the rough surface, seeping through the porous fabric and settling inside forever. Will you wash the pillow or trash it? How many backup pillows do you need? You can wash and heat dry to kill the germs up to 20 vinyl covers per load. Good news! The covers stay intact for over 15 washes or more. Meanwhile, you can only wash 1 or 2 bulky cloth pillows per load. Even worse, the fiberfill filling gets stacked in the second or third wash, and stacked pillows are bad. Our vinyl pillow offers easy, effective, and economical sanitary solutions that a cloth pillow can't match. It resists germs and defends patients. It's easy to clean and fast to wash. Plus, it's durable and reusable. Our innovative pillow gives your patients safety, reduces your labor, and ends your waste. Our Easy Clean pillow is also very branding friendly. We'll print your logo up to 12 by 8 inches for free. You can write and sign it easily. The ink stays bright for years over the washes, making our pillow a long-lasting promo and unforgettable keepsake. On the cloth pillow, however, it's hard to print or write. In addition, the ink gets fuzzy and fades in weeks over the washes. Our pillows fully comply with the safety laws CPSIA and ASTM F963. Feel free to contact us for the independent test report. Among our standard choices, this heart-shaped pillow is our best seller. Measured at 18 by 18 inches for adults, it's about $5 less than the cloth pillow. We welcome custom orders of any size, shape, and color. Already have pillows? Just buy our covers and save more money. With patient safety as our top priority, our innovative vinyl pillows were developed alongside several hospitals that had used cloth pillows for years. If you're looking for easy clean, cost-effective, and brand-friendly cough pillows, please contact us for a free sample and more information. Thanks for watching!